Intro camera pans over lush rainforest canopy. Have you ever looked into the eyes of an orangutan? These gentle giants of the forest have a gaze that's hauntingly human. But did you know that we're losing these incredible creatures at an alarming rate? Welcome to Orangutans, the people of the forest. I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into the world of these amazing apes. We'll explore their fascinating biology, the threats they face, and what's being done to save them. So, grab a seat and let's swing into the treetops with our orange-haired cousins. Main content. Let's start with some orangutan 101. Orangutans are the only great apes found in Asia. They live on just two islands, Borneo and Sumatra. Their name means person of the forest in Malay, and it's easy to see why. These apes are incredibly intelligent and share about 97% of their DNA with humans. Orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling mammals in the world. They have long, powerful arms perfect for swinging through the trees. Their hands and feet are like nature's own Swiss Army knives. They can grip branches, manipulate tools, and even tickle each other. Speaking of tools, orangutans are masters of improvisation. They've been observed using sticks to fish for termites, just like chimpanzees. But that's not all, they also use leaves as umbrellas and napkins. Some have even been seen using spears to catch fish. This level of tool use is rare in the animal kingdom and shows just how smart these apes are. Orangutans are mostly solitary animals, unlike other great apes. They spend their days foraging for fruit, leaves, and the occasional insect. Mother orangutans have an incredibly strong bond with their babies. Young orangutans stay with their mothers for up to 8 years, learning survival skills. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the bulldozer in the forest. Orangutans are in trouble, and it's largely because of us humans. Their forest homes in Borneo and Sumatra are disappearing at an alarming rate. The main culprit? The palm oil industry. Palm oil is in everything from cookies to shampoo. It's cheap to produce and versatile, but it comes at a huge cost to the environment. Vast swathes of rainforest are being cleared to make way for palm oil plantations. This leaves orangutans and other wildlife homeless and vulnerable. Show footage of deforestation. Imagine waking up one day to find your home being torn down around you. That's the reality for many orangutans. As their habitat shrinks, they're forced into conflict with humans. Some end up in villages or plantations, where they're seen as pests. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are people working tirelessly to save these amazing apes. Rescue and rehabilitation centers across Borneo and Sumatra are doing incredible work. They take in orphaned and injured orangutans, giving them a second chance at life. Show footage of a rehabilitation center. At these centers, baby orangutans learn the skills they need to survive in the wild. It's like orangutan school, complete with climbing lessons and foraging practice. The goal is to eventually release these apes back into protected areas of the forest. It's a long process, but it's vital for the survival of the species. One of the most famous of these centers is the Sepalak Orangutan Rehabilitation Center in Borneo. Here, visitors can watch young orangutans play and learn. It's a powerful way to raise awareness about the plight of these animals. But rescue and rehabilitation alone isn't enough. We need to address the root cause of the problem: habitat loss. That's where sustainable solutions come in. One approach is to promote sustainable palm oil production. This involves growing palm oil in ways that don't destroy orangutan habitat. The Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, RSPO, certifies plantations that meet certain environmental standards. By choosing products with the RSPO label, consumers can help support more eco-friendly practices. Another solution is to create and protect orangutan habitats. Organizations like the Orangutan Land Trust work to secure and restore forest areas. They also work with local communities to find sustainable ways of using the forest. This helps both the orangutans and the people who share their home. Education is another crucial piece of the puzzle. By teaching people about orangutans and their importance, we can build support for conservation. Many organizations run programs in schools and communities near orangutan habitats. They're helping to create a new generation of orangutan guardians. Show footage of reforestation efforts. Reforestation projects are also making a difference. By planting trees in degraded areas, we can help expand orangutan habitat. It's a slow process, but every tree counts. Research is another important aspect of orangutan conservation. Scientists are constantly learning new things about these fascinating apes. This knowledge helps us better understand how to protect them and their forest homes. Outro. As we've seen, orangutans are incredible creatures facing serious threats. But there's hope for these people of the forest. Through rescue, rehabilitation, and sustainable practices, we can help ensure their survival. Remember, every time you choose a product or spread awareness, you're making a difference. Let's work together to keep orangutans swinging through the trees for generations to come. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife content. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite fact about orangutans? Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of orangutans is in our hands.